Hey guys, Rachel and I are going to walk you through how to make a YouTube handle. Check it out. So if you log into YouTube, you can use any email address or a Gmail. When you're logged in, you'll see in the upper right-hand corner, you either have a picture or your initials. So click on your little circle and it'll look like something like this. So then click your channel. And that'll pull up a field where you can change your picture, and that's how you'll show up on YouTube when you're commenting. And then your handle is basically how you will appear when you're commenting on the live shows. So you can click that and erase that information. You can make this name anything that you want. It can be your real name. You could even put Crystal Lover, no spaces, just whatever name you want to appear as on Facebook or on YouTube. Hit save. Oh, it's already taken. So we can add some numbers at the end. There you go. And then hit create your channel. This will take 24 hours to review, but once your channel is created, you'll be able to go live with us on Wednesday nights. Always message us if you run into any problems, and we will see you on Wednesday.
Bye.
Bye, guys.